Wonder how to download WhatsApp videos in bulk? Let's go through this video. On iPhone, open one video and tap the share icon, tap save to download it to your iPhone photos. On Android phones, open the video, tap three-dot icon, save. On iPhone, go to WhatsApp settings, chats, enable save to photos. Back, go to storage and data, set whether to allow both Wi-Fi and cellular use. On Android, go to WhatsApp settings, storage and data, set the data using permission. You can also download WhatsApp videos via export chat. On iPhone, enter a chat and tap the profile. Scroll down to export chat, Attach media, save to files. Go to Files, unzip the file, your WhatsApp video are in the file. On Android, enter a chat and tap the three-dot icon, More, export chat, include media, upload to Google Drive. Go to Google Drive, download the exported chat file. Open the file manager, you can see the download. Extract the WhatsApp videos. The file will be stored under the download location. Next is a quick and effective method for you to download all WhatsApp videos at once. Launch MagFone Chats Transfer, click WhatsApp, Backup, click Start Backup to back up your WhatsApp data. After backup, click Export. Here you can view your WhatsApp data. Select videos, and click Export to computer at once. Choose a location to save your WhatsApp videos.